Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. Today I want to introduce a new lightweight brushless system for you guys. Okay, today I will introduce the new lightweight motor for you guys. So this one is the SB3262. We built in the lightweight brushless motor into this size of a servo. So we use the same technique as a patent servo, but the motor is brand new motor, lightweight brushless motor. So the lightweight brushless motor provides two functions. One is a fast response, and second is lightweight. So the 3262 compared to 2262, the weight will be 50% less compared to before. So the 2262, the weight is 62 grams. But the 3262, the weight will be 53 grams. And also, for the same size of servo, the 3262 provides more torque. So it can survive in 8.4 volt. And the speed will be 0.065 seconds. And the torque is 35 kilograms, so it's around 486 ounce-inch. And this servo is available, I believe, on March. If you are interested, please follow our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more information. Thank you.
Why is lightweight brushless motor?
Okay, so for the new SB3262, we use a new technique on the motor. This one is a lightweight brushless motors.
So what's the advantage of this servo?
The advantage for this servo will be lightweight. So it's a 50% less compared to before. And also in the same size, have 10% more on the torque.
When will this servo be available?
So this servo already tested by our drivers, and then the performance is really good. So we are working on the mass production right now. So I believe will be available at end of the February or beginning of March. Thank you.
Thank you.